Hola! Welcome to our casa, aka our room. You guys, this room is next freaking level, okay? Come in here, we have our little sitting area, so cute, so chic. We're celebrating my man, so I got him some special balloons in his favorite team's colors. Close the door, my man, so he won't see our business. Come right this way, you can see our mini bar fully stocked. And then we have a little an espresso chic, fully stocked fridge, everyday chic. Want to get me a Red Bull, so I'm so tired. Then come right, this is the most breathtaking spot. Hello, hello! Look at this freaking view! We are on the 11th floor, so it's basically a penthouse, so like, you know, if anyone asks, we were staying in the penthouse. Our amazing king size bed, our amazing TV. The coolest thing, actually everything's controlled by this little iPad right here. So we can order room service, we can do the blinds, we can do the music, we can do the shades, the lighting, all the on there. Let's go, we'll come this way, we'll end with the best part. Come this way to the bathroom. Look at this shower. Y'all know I'm about to do some work in that shower. Our closets, we have multiple robes. Oops, the little, you know, the actual baños over here. Come this ginormous bathroom. Sorry, where was I? This amazing bathroom. Y'all know, I'm 5'3". So I took my waistband probably like, you know, like that big, and like I can't even get close to the walls. That's how big it is. This is just the bathroom. Come this way. I mean, the best is for last. Come. You guys, look at our freaking, this is our balcony. We have a hammock for two. I don't know if it's two of me and him, but we'll try. A chair layout and our amazing personal jacuzzi hot tub. And then the best part, the amazing view. We have jungle, we have beach, we have it all. We are staying at the newly constructed South Tower of Hotel Mousai. It opened a week ago today, and I couldn't be happier. Cheers, salud!